Hiking is often associated with visual experiences, breathtaking vistas, vibrant colors of nature, and awe-inspiring landscapes. However, for individuals who are blind or visually impaired, the world of hiking presents a unique set of challenges. Despite these obstacles, there exists a community of blind hikers who defy conventional limitations, embarking on journeys that transcend physical sight and redefine the boundaries of human capability. Their stories of perseverance, courage, and determination inspire us to reconsider what it means to explore the great outdoors.
So we're here in Mount Pulag. This is our day 1 now sa Mount Pulag. Mount Pulag is the third highest mountain in the Philippines at saka ito yung pinaka-highest mountain here in Luzon. So this team, this 6VI, ito yung first time nila na mag-hike ng ganitong kataas, and hopefully ito yung maging first step nila ng Public and Perkins na magkaroon pa ng mas maraming mga outdoor activities katulad nito.
Ang nararamdaman ko po ngayon ay masaya po ako kasi po first time ko lang po na umakyat sa Pulag.
Ang nararamdaman ko is super excited kasi second time ko ulit makaakyat. Pero this time sa summit na with the adaptive athletes. Masaya din kasi si Isay naman yung i-guide ko for the whole day of our hike. Yun.
Expectation ko ngayon is maging mas ma-enjoy ko yung kasi last time sobrang gininawa ko eh. Pero ngayon po, ang gusto ko lang makabawi sa maganda yung view and mas ma-enjoy ko kasama yung mga BI.
Ako po expect ko po na matapos po namin ito ng maayos at makabalik po kami ng maayos dito.
Ang strategy po namin ngayon is naka-pacing lang po kami. Bali, no running po, pacing lang po talaga.
Strategy ko namin dalawa, chill lang para lang sa maaabot yung summit na walang pressure.
Naramdaman ko po na masaya po dito na nakarating po dito sa Pulag.
Ang expectation ko ay this will be a very exciting hike, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga BI na sila ang kauna-unahang BI na makakarating sa summit ng Mount Pulag.
For me, ang nararamdaman ko during this hike, excitement and konting nervous kasi medyo delikado rin yung trail, I know. Pero excited pa rin ako.
For me, I'm excited for him to reach the summit of the Mount Pulag. As a guide of him, so I will do my best to bring him in the summit of Mount Pulag.
Masaya po. Excited din po pag-akyat. Tsaka hindi na makatulog dahil papunta dito.
Expectation ko po is matapos po namin yung gagawin naming hike and nasasama po kami sa history na magagawa po.
Yung after hike through our Public and Perkins group, lalo sa mga kids and coaches natin and yung mga parents, I hope you really enjoyed this hike and reach the summit together, and marami tayong mga experiences na makuha from this hike and hopefully on the future hikes pa. And thank you so much for giving also me this opportunity to join you guys, and it's really overwhelming. Enjoy and have fun.
In the realm of hiking, blindness is not a barrier, but rather a catalyst for innovation, resilience, and community. The stories of blind hikers serve as a testament to the human spirit's capacity to overcome adversity and find beauty in unexpected places by embracing challenges with courage and determination. They inspire us to reimagine our own limitations and to embark on journeys of exploration. Both within ourselves and in the world beyond, in the footsteps of blind hikers, we discover that true adventure knows no bounds.
Masaya kasi na first time nakarating ako na summit ng Pulag, pero ayun na syempre hindi po may iwasan, malamig ganun, pero I'm happy and parang dagdag siya sa experience, and I have proven na maybe I am strong enough to face any challenges.
Madali lang din, dali. Ano, basic lang. Hindi, pero madali siya. Managol na ako. Ang saya mo sa experience? Masaya po. Exciting.
Sobrang saya. Grabe. At last narating na namin yung summit ng Pulag. Diba, Isay?
Okay lang naman yan.
Let's go, Sago. Let's go, Sago.
Mahirap ba?
Medyo.
Ang ganda ba?
Yes.
Malamig ba?
Sobra. Masaya, mahirap pero po nakaka-enjoy siya.
Alam din ako eh.
Challenging. Pero wow. Hindi mo akalaing magawa ito ng visually impaired na, especially ng anak ko, si Jean Lisette. Seth, kumusta experience mo ron?
Natakot ako kanina, pero ayos.
Tapos, nangihilig. How about, anong feeling mo nung nasa summit ka?
Kahit nahirapan, enjoy pa rin.
Oh.
Yes. And you did it.
Really awesome. Really great experience, lalong-lalo kasi first time namin to summit the Pulag. And sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang swerte namin to see the sea of clouds and yung landscape. Sobrang sulit.
It's a super success for the 6 visually impaired children nakapag-summit ng Mount Pulag. Can you imagine? If they can do it, you can too.